Hey guys, you'll never guess what happened. It's the craziest thing. My new aftermarket gauge reads past full. For no apparent reason, just reads past full. Just like this one does over here. Reads way past full. So, I don't have a picture of when it was reading way past full, but it looked just like that, but all the way packed on the other side. And I just wanted to share with you guys what I did. Maybe the same thing would happen for you guys too as well. I rechecked my wiring. There was no arcing or any wiring problems from the way I did it. It's a janky job for sure, but I went back into the bottom of the truck is where it got the signal from. Rechecked the wires. Wires are good. Went inside the hood where I last did my video on where the spliced into yellow white wire was. I completely cut that one off, so I thought it might be that. Nope, that did not do anything. Then after about 20 minutes or 30 minutes of fiddling around, I decided to go to the back of the gauge and get volt readings from there, or voltmeter readings. And amazingly enough, it was right behind there, the problem. $180 autometer fuel gauge, and the ohms was reading 12.95, nearly almost 13. 13 I think is full. So I couldn't figure it out, and I accidentally arced the positive from the power to it, which I think is powered by the key on for the radio, with the, I don't know what I arced on. I must have arced on probably the ohm, it's the yellow white wire itself. I arced on that, and it started working again. Really, really good. So now I'm wondering if the spade clips that I'm using is conductive from a distance, or do I have a faulty gauge? I'm wondering. I don't know. But this helps for you guys. To be honest, it's quite frustrating when you don't know how much fuel you have in your tank, especially that I have a 17-gallon tank. And sure, you can always go by the mileage, but what fun is that? So it's working again. The fuel gauge for the cluster is still disconnected, and it still reads past full. I don't know why. Crazy thing though, even though it's disconnected from that inside the hood where I showed you in my last video, it still reads 8 ohms even when it's disconnected. So I'm thinking that anti-slosh meter is probably putting out volts. So I'm glad I did that. And now we will see how long this lasts before it reads full again. And I have to call Autometer and say, hey, I need a replacement. Thanks for watching.